Did I ever think a fire would ever happen to us? No, not really.
We were working on the house, and next thing we know, one of the alarms was going off, and we couldn't figure out why the alarm was going off.
And I told him, I said, there's black smoke coming up from the vent. You couldn't see your hand in front of your face. And we were maybe 30 feet from the door, but we had a table in between us and the door, and we couldn't even see how to get around it.
Because
It was just so dark.
smoke it just turned black in the whole house. And where the most of the smoke was in our kids' rooms. I mean, their rooms got it the worst, and if they would have been there, thank God they wasn't. If they would have been there, trying to get them out of them rooms would have.
We would have lost them. If we didn't have the smoke alarms installed. We wouldn't have the two kids wouldn't have us. You know, we just thank God every day that we had that my dad installed the smoke alarms.
A lot of people, especially my daughter, don't worry about my fire starting. When they first moved in, they had no smoke alarms, no protection at all. And after I installed them, I felt a lot better because I knew not only they were safe, but my grandkids were a lot safer with them being in there in case of a fire. Being with the Red Cross and doing what I do, you get the satisfaction of being there to help people. When we go in to install these smoke alarms, it might take 15 minutes to do, but at least I know somebody in my community is a lot safer than what they were.
I never expected everything that the Red Cross done for us. I never expected it, and I'm so thankful for everything that they did. I still got my kids. Got my wife. If it wouldn't have been for the smoke alarms, like I said, I don't know what I'd have done. I don't know how I'd have made it through it.